In this movie, I'm going to show you how, using the image we created in Keynote, we can add it to an Xcode app. Now, your teacher would have provided you with a zip file with your app containing. Mine was on the desktop. And once I've downloaded it, I double click and that folder should appear. Now, I can move this folder anywhere on my computer. I'm just going to leave it on the desktop. And when I go into that folder, you'll see a folder with some files in. And the main thing we're after is this Xcode project file. So I double click on that and Xcode will open. Now I can just open up this side area here and we can see all the files associated with our project. I'm just cleaning up some of these tabs because we don't need them. We only need to see that content view, which contains like the basics of our app and what will launch when we hit run. Now over here, I have a space where I can see my app, and up the top of the screen, I can choose which device I want to preview it on. I like to use an iPhone 11. Now I just need to hit the preview. Now I've sped that up considerably, but after a while that should open for you too. And you can see there that we've got a preview of an app, and should be exactly what you see when you open the file that's provided. Now up the top left, I can hit play, and we can actually preview the app working. So you might want to give a go of that now and make sure yours is working fine. The one thing you notice though is it only goes to the same screens. It doesn't matter where you click. So it's always going to go to sci-fi, and it's always going to go to the 4 movies for sci-fi and then Star Wars. Okay, so what can we do to change it and make it look like our app? Well, in our code here in the middle, you'll see that it uses an image for our first page called title image. When I hit this folder here where it says assets catalog, you can see that title image. So I just need to go to the location where I saved my Keynote images, and mine is here. And I'm just going to change my view so it's a bit easier to locate. And what I need to do is drag the image corresponding over here like this. So there's my title image being replaced. And then I'm going to go to the next image. This looks like for the different types of media that we're going to have. Now you'll notice mine's a bit similar because when I made this, I was doing something very similar. And when I made my Keynote movie for you, I used a sort of similar idea. Yours might be about books or something. Okay, and then we're just going to do our details for the Star Wars movie. So as you drop them in, you'll see it change a little bit. Now I need to go back to this content view.swift file, and I'll probably need to hit what they say is like the resume button on our preview. Now this again may take some time. I've sped it up for myself, but once I've got the right images, I can see it there, and I can hit that play button again. And then I can actually test interacting, and it should show the images you created and it should look correct if you got all your sizes matching and things like that. Now, what about if we want to change where it says what type? Well, we need to go to this screen here. This is called genre view. And in genre view, there's a line there where it says the navigation title is what type, and I'm just going to change that to what genre. Now you don't see the change over there on the right hand side, and there's a bit of code sort of magicry going on, but that is because it's sort of inside the content view. Let's also change where we get a list of the movies, and I'm going to change that to movies. Now when I go back to this view and run it again, you'll see now it says what genre, and it actually has movies there. So you can see how you can change some of the template to use the wording that you'd like to use for the titles. But essentially, that's your app working, and you can customize as you like.